The Hermanen runes are not just symbols. They are mystical experiences waiting to happen if you know the formula. Each rune opens a doorway, not to outer knowledge, but to the divine spark that lives inside you. Today we are delving into one of the deeper formulas hidden in the rune sequence, a rhythm called Ararati. It's a sacred pattern that maps the soul's movement towards unity with the divine, an experience of the divine. And it shows you how illumination, sacrifice, and stillness weave together in personal practice. Let's start with Ar, the rune of inner light. When we invoke Ar, we awaken the higher self, the radiant awareness that blesses all things simply by seeing them clearly. Ar is the number 10, the sign of completion. When repeated 3 times, Ar, 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 it's the light unfolding through body, soul, and spirit. 3 blessings that open the inner sun. And then comes Tir, number 12, the vow of the spirit. Tir is courage and commitment. It is the willingness to act for the greater good, even when that means letting go of personal comfort or control. It is the hand God within us, the moment we surrender the ego and let conscience guide the next step. And finally, Ease, the number 9, the still access of our uprightness. Ease bring everything to rest, to stillness. It is the calm after revelation, the breath before a new creation begins. Here, we don't reach for the divine, we become aware of it within stillness itself. Together these runes Ar, Tir, Ease, form the living word Ararati. Not an endpoint, but a threshold, a moment of readiness when the seeker and the divine look at each other and recognize one another. Even though the creative rune Ka isn't spoken here, it flows underneath the whole pattern. The hidden fire that turns insight into action and spiritual realization into a life that radiates purpose. If you take the sum of those 4 runes, it leads to 51, which is 5 plus 1 is 6, which is the 6. That is Ka. This is the heart of the mystical path, to move from light through sacrifice into stillness, and to emerge with renewed strength and meaning. The runes reminds us that the divine isn't somewhere far away. It speaks through every breath, every act, every quiet pause. When we live Ararati, we bless, we commit, we become still. And in that silence, we remember who we truly are. Stay curious, stay courageous, and keep walking the path where the mystical becomes real through the runes.